Hello, my name is Srini and welcome to MLM Leads Mastery website. Today I want to give you a special invitation as a guest to attend one of our upcoming free marketing training webinars. We are a community of network marketers specializing in internet marketing strategies to grow your network marketing business. We want to invite you to one of our weekly marketing training sessions where you can get to learn the best and the most effective internet marketing strategies to grow your business online. All you got to do is fill your name and email on this form on this page, and you would get a link to register for the upcoming webinar. These webinars are restricted to 1,000 participants and they get filled pretty fast. So you don't want to delay and fill your name and email right away and get the link to register for the upcoming webinar in the next page. Click on the register link on the next page and register your seat for the upcoming webinar. We will see you on the next page.